go to www.aphw.com and click on Realtors in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to the new Real Pro screen. Enter your email address as your login ID, then enter your password and click Login. First, locate the warranty for which you need to make a payment. If it's not visible on your landing page, click View Warranties on the right to view all of your existing warranties. Once you find it, click on the warranty number. This opens the Warranty Details page. Click the Make a Payment button. This opens the payment window, which features the total invoice amount, the total tax amount, the total amount paid, and the remaining balance owed. In the Payment Amount field, enter the amount you wish to pay. Please note that if you wish to make more than one payment, there is a maximum of 2 deposits allowed per invoice. Any balance remaining after the first payment must be paid in full with your second payment. Next, you will enter your credit or debit card details in the Customer Deposit section. For security purposes, credit card numbers are not stored after the transaction is completed. Enter your debit or credit card number. Now click on the credit card icons to select your card type. You can select American Express, Discover, MasterCard, or Visa, which is what we will use for this example. Now enter the expiration date, month, and year, the security code on the back of the card owner's name as written on the front of the card's billing street address, and the card's 5-digit billing zip code. Finally, enter the email address where your payment receipt will be sent. Click Submit. Once the page refreshes, you will see a green notification advising that the customer deposit has been saved successfully, along with the total invoice amount, total tax amount, an updated paid amount, and an updated remaining balance owed. If you paid the full amount due, you will also see a statement in bold for Paid in Full. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using the new Real Pro.